I swear to God, I've been through so much, I just ain't gon' let it phase me. Conversations with myself, I know I'm great, it ain't no faking. By time I'm fuck you, nigga, pay me.
YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy GlobalRellTV. As you guys can see, man, we're in the Tesla Model 3 today. I am on my way to Orlando. So this is gonna be a long drive, so why not record for you guys and just get a little vlog in. As you guys can see, it is 10 o'clock at night. I'm not sure if you can see that I'm trying to focus and drive at the same time, which I shouldn't be doing, but it is 10:19 p.m. We have 49% of charge. So we are on our way to the charging station. Now, I'm not gonna fully charge this thing just because it's late and Orlando is like 3 hours away from me. But I do need a little juice. I do need a little battery life because I'm not sure if this thing gonna make it. So you guys wish me luck. And I am turning in to where the Tesla pumps are at. I think there's some at this Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. I hope I'm correct. If I'm not, I will be highly upset. But I'm always right. And even when I'm wrong, I could have been right. Are these even Tesla chargers? Man, I might have been wrong.
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
I'm not sure if these are Tesla chargers, man. But let's see. Oh man, is this a fucking Tesla charger? Damn, this shit is not a fucking Tesla charger, bro. Alright guys, we found the Tesla chargers and we were at Walmart, but now we are at Target. I went to the wrong EV chargers. Alright guys, we are parked. The cops are out tonight. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna give y'all a little update, man. We is still charging the Tesla right now, man. I'll show you guys what percent we at. So right now we are at 68% and we only got 7 minutes remaining until we hit 80. As soon as this thing hits 80%, we are out of here. And I'll get back to you guys when we hit 80%. All right, guys, we just got that notification, man. We just hit 80%. So let's unplug this thing. Put that shit back in here. Oh shit, just like that. We out of here, gang. Time to head back on the road. I also do have my GoPro with me, so I might get some footage with that as well. But just look at that speed, man. Chill out. Might be some cops around, but you guys get the picture, man. But I'll turn the camera back on when I'm on the highway. Alright guys, give you guys a quick little update, man. Right now it is 11:51 p.m. right now. This Tesla is losing charge pretty quickly, as you guys can see. We charged it up to 80% before, but now we are at 28%. I did put it in chill mode because we were in that sport mode, about to save some battery percentage, but man, it doesn't even look like that's helping, to be honest. So 9 times out of 10, we're probably gonna have to stop and charge up one more time. And I hope not, I hope we can make it. But the GPS is saying we still have 1 hour and 23 minutes left, so yeah, that's not good. As you guys can see right there, man, we still got 1 hour and 23 minutes left, and we're gonna arrive at 1:15. But that might change if we have to go stop and charge this thing, man. So I'll give you guys an update real soon. Alright guys, we did have to stop. I'm trying to look and see if they have some EV chargers this way, but I don't know, guys. So I'm about to get out and I'm about to try to get a little stretch break. Man, guys, it's 12:04 a.m. and we are at 21%, man. Fuck! And we still have 1 hour and 12 minutes left. Yeah, let's go see. Alright, man. Alright, guys, we just got a little snack, man. And I don't know what that guy's doing over there, but.
Lock his ass up. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
The charging port is on the other side of the gas station, so I'm about to go over there. I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I get to the charging station because we got this guy over here, so I'm just trying to get the hell out of here. So we'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys. I think I found the the chargers are over there on that side. It's hard to see, but I did find them. The lady inside did help me out. Oh, man. Alright, guys. Let's try this one more time. So we're going to go on the Tesla app. Open this up. A little bit more charge, guys.
Yeah, boy.
Huh? Wow.
Alright. Let that do its thing. Man, guys. Thought that battery percentage would have lasted longer than that, but round 2, I will start the camera back up when we get to maybe 40%. Damn, them boys done hit the Tesla machine. What the fuck? That shit done crazy. I'm finna go ahead and get out of here before they think I did this shit. We down there, baby. Damn, that's crazy. Hold on. What you doing? What you doing? Making all that noise for? What you making all that noise for? It look like somebody was wiping the car or something. Man, you guys, I don't got all night, man. I'm trying to make it to my destination. We still, time going up. 12:25, 12:28, we out of here, man. We'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, we are officially in Orlando now, man, as you guys can see. So this video is coming to an end. If you guys like this little vlog or this little travel vlog, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gone, man.
They got that boy again. He made $100 deposit bet again. 50 more dollars that he bout to spend. I just pray my dog hit, my nigga win. They don't wanna see me when I do this shit again.